In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a realistic rubber stamp effect using existing Canva elements. The best part is, you don't need Photoshop, you don't need any advanced tools, and you don't need to upload any custom textures. Everything we're doing today will be directly inside Canva using built-in elements. This is perfect for logos, social media graphics, certificates, posters, or any design where you want that authentic stamped look. If you enjoy simple Canva tutorials like this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future design tips. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Canva and create a new design. You can choose any size depending on your project, whether that's an Instagram post, presentation slide, or custom dimensions. Once your blank canvas is open, go to the left sidebar and click on Elements. In the search bar, type in words like stamp, rubber stamp, or grunge badge. Canva has a large library of graphics, so scroll through the results and look for a circular badge or stamp style frame that has a slightly distressed or textured edge. That rough texture is what gives it the realistic rubber stamp appearance. When you find a design you like, click on it or drag and drop it onto your canvas. Resize it by dragging the corner handles while holding Shift to keep the proportions even. Position it exactly where you want your stamp to appear. If you're placing it over an image or background color, make sure there's enough contrast so the stamp will stand out clearly. Next, let's add the text inside the stamp. Go to the text section on the left panel and click Add a Heading. Type in your desired wording, such as approved, confidential, paid, or any custom message you want. To make it look more authentic, consider using bold, all-caps text. Fonts that work especially well for stamp effects are slab serif, bold sans serif, or slightly distressed fonts. You can also search in the font library for terms like stamp or grunge to find styles that match the effect. Resize your text and position it in the center of the circular badge. Use the alignment guides that appear to make sure everything is perfectly centered. If your badge has a circular layout, you can also curve your text. To do that, select the text, click on Effects in the top toolbar, and then choose Curve. Adjust the curve slider until the text follows the shape of the badge. This small detail can make your stamp look much more realistic. Now let's enhance the rubber stamp effect. Select both the badge and the text by holding Shift and clicking on each element. Change the color to a classic stamp color like deep red, dark blue, or black. To make it look more like real ink, slightly reduce the transparency from the top toolbar, lowering it to around 85 to 90%.